Right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are still here in Belgium. We're at a beautiful farmhouse. Cannot wait to show you guys around. We've had a look around the bottom floor. That is it. Haven't been upstairs, so the upstairs will be a surprise to us as it is to you. Cannot wait to show you. You know what to do guys, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up and drop us a comment and let us know what you thought of this place. But without any further ado, we should crack on with the explore. Hopefully some history will come up now. Right guys, we will start off at this front door and wow, look at the cobwebs on this place. It is absolutely manic. I can't believe that this has been left here like that. And you'll see here, look at all the chairs. And as we come down, we've got quite a few books. This headboard though, for a bed here, a couple of beds by the looks of it. We sort of come, turn around, we've got this back door here. Got a lovely photo down there, lots of dust on it. Looks like a young boy. Got the jacket hanging up. Just will show you where all the jackets would have hung up, I'd imagine. Beautiful. Got the mirror there. Just want to show you at the top as well. It's very high up in this building, I must say. The hallway. You've got this arch. Very well designed, the homes in Belgium, I must say. Especially different. Obviously we've got the staircase here, which is a bit ropey to say the least. This will come in where Meg is right now, which is the kitchen. And this is beautiful. Half the house. It is, yeah. Half the house has been damaged through fire and has fallen through. You are?
It's more the cellar, I'd say that.
Well, there's another room that would have been in there that is fire damaged. So there is a room less here. But what is saved here is just immaculate. Look at these pictures on the wall up here. Beautiful. And you got this, but look at these little bits here, the candle, the glasses, and there's a picture there of a priest. By the looks of it, I assume it's a priest. It looks like a priest. We've got quite some jars down here, old suitcase. Got a few bits along here on top of the fridge. We've got a cross along with what we got here. Got an old picture there and a very old book and some pots. Look at them little glasses. What are them glasses for? Not sherry. It can't be sherry, they're too small. Not a lot in there. Loving the jacket up here, along with the old boy cap. I'll show you just down here. This would have been down in the cellar. And you'll see it's quite damaged. And this room here, as I come up, you'll see that it's fallen through. Having to be extra careful. I'll show you the cooker side, I guess. Got an old radio down there. Looks like it did some more painting as well. What is that? No idea. Looks cool though. And then we tend to find a lot of in these Belgium homes Unfortunately, the statue is broken. We've got another cooking area here with the pots on top. You might see just tucked behind, stapled together, here's some old sheets of music, which I'm going to place down on this table. It don't belong on the cooker, does it? Let's be honest.
Maybe the cooker sings.
Might do. A few little pieces here and there. And then up here, hanging from that cracking light fit in there, is, I have no idea, like a little flag. They're pretty cool. Liking the singer and the gloves and the hat, looking very good. What I do like is this chair. Look at the detail of it in there. Look at the detail on the top. You got this old hat and pair of gloves.
I think I should have been born in this era.
Oh no, I do like it. You've got some old pictures up here as well, which look pretty cool.
That one's 1925 to 1926.
Yeah, very old. But you've got to admit that the singer's pretty cool as well, isn't it? It's not very often you see them with this original stands, is it? If we're honest. With all the bits still intact as well. It's not in the best of nick, but there's a lot of dust there. So that's what you expect, I'd imagine. Into the living room. And wow. So what I noticed is in the hallway there's a door. Just here, see where my shadow is, outlining it. That's been covered up for some reason, and this has been put in place. Look, we've got, it does, doesn't it? We've still got all the plates and everything in here though. Again, sort of show you these. It's very dark in here. Hopefully the light's doing it some justice. Lots of old bits and bobs. Come around, look at this, you've got like big vase down here. Fireplace. One thing I notice about these places, the fire is never in the chimney breast. It is always out, or tends to be out. We've got quite a few pieces on top there, along with another statue that's broken. Just going to get Megan in on this. Look at that, the old ironing board.
Look at this, I don't actually know what it is, but it's got your name, it's got like a picture.
Is it?
Is it like...
You've got that old cabinet there for the glasses and that as well. It looks like these wardrobes have seen better days. This room don't feel too good. One thing I did notice whilst I'm here, looks like a bottle of booze. Right guys, heading up some right dodgy stairs, which I'm absolutely crapping myself about. I'm not gonna lie. There we go, it's not too bad. Right, we come up to these. Some beautiful bits up here. Look. Look at all of this. Got candle holders. What is that?
It's real, it's a fox, it's a ferret,
Oh, it is a ferret, isn't it? My God, that is a ferret. First bedroom, oh my Lord. Wow. Don't worry, I am watching the floor. Try and be as careful as I can. Quite a few pieces up here. That bed. And look, as you'll see, towards the window, hopefully. It's quite hard with that sun coming in to get a good perspective of it. I'm gonna walk across slowly. What we got in here? Looks like some religious stuff. Quite a few pieces on the bed, the wardrobe. Some people have been through the clothes by the looks of it. And as you'll see, in here some jackets. Also, love that, that's inbuilt into the wall. Books and books. There are holes in the floor over this side, so I don't know how much further I can get over without doing some damage to myself. So I think I'll come back out into the hallway, which I did notice this painting along here. There's like an old wicker basket trolley there. Big bit of a mirror in there as well. That's pretty cool. Wow, into the second bedroom. There is obviously, look, damage to the floor. You got that spring bed there. Wish I had my like zoomy in lens. If I had my zoomy in lens, I could zoom right in on that pram. Never seen a pram like that before. I'm gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit. It looks fairly safe. I'll soon find out if I go through. Wish me a speedy recovery, please. Wow. Never seen anything like that. That huge trunk over there as well. Beautiful. It's about as far as I'm willing to venture in, if I'm honest. It just doesn't feel too safe. I don't know what this is down here. Some sort of alarm clock maybe? No, it is a compass. It's a compass. But yeah. Having them old switches. Till I come back into here. Got a large wooden cross there. Is that a mirror? No, a picture frame. One of these old chairs, which I would have assumed that would be Jesus. That would have been on the cross. You might be able to see outside. That's the burnt down part of the house. Oh, burnt down part of the house. Come into this room. Wow. Got some old bikes. Looks like a little rocking chair there for a baby. You've got these old chairs. Maybe some cross stitch there. Could be wrong again, but you never know. Looks like a frame of a bed. I think we need to get up in here, man. We need to get up in that attic and have a look. Right guys, up in the attic. Just want to show you what it is up here. But because of the damage, I am a little bit skeptical about heading up further in. So I'll try and just give you a show about before I head back down. Looks like some like horse saddles and that here. There were some bikes in the corner. And as we come across, we got like some high chairs and that, yeah. Some older furniture across there. But I think that would do me to go downstairs. Let's head back down. Right guys, explore done. Hope you enjoyed it. I mean, this is like a broken down Belgian farmhouse. I mean, beautiful. The decay in here, awesome, isn't it?
It is, all the other little bits and bobs.
Shame it's been left.
I think every house that we go into is shame it's been left, in all honesty. I walk around and I'm like, why?
No, I know.
Why? Especially like these ones, like they've let it get to a state that there's no fixing it.
It needs knocking down, rebuilding, but...
Yeah, but then you get the...
It's what it is, guys.
Yeah.
But if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, drop us a comment, subscribe and hit that little bell. Ding, ding, ding. You'll be notified of future explores. But are you happy?
I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy too.
See you on the next one. Bye.